Hello and welcome. I see you've selected the timeshare path, and I'm so happy you're here because I love teaching people how to turn their timeshares into gold mines. Let me tell you a little more about the exciting journey we'll be going on together. As an overview, the 3 online training classes will be broken down into the 4 phases that we talked about in the last video. Phase 1, controlling the property. Phase 2, staging and photography. Phase 3, creating your Airbnb listing. And Phase 4, daily business management. The structure of the class looks like this. You'll have worksheets and exercises to complete before each lesson so you can follow along with the training video to learn how to implement each one. Now in Lesson 1, we'll take a deep dive into all the ways you can control a timeshare property and which way is the most powerful. We'll be analyzing your location to see what brings people into town and selecting the most desirable property for you to start with. Then we'll put a booking strategy in place for you that will maximize your income and increase your bookings. And in case you're nowhere near the resort, I'll give you my best tips for getting great pictures. Then you'll be ready for Lesson 2, creating your Airbnb listing. Now you may have noticed that we kind of skipped over Phase 2, the furnishing the property part, because the beautiful thing about a timeshare is that it's already furnished for you, and all of the amenities a guest could ever want have already been provided. So we can skip right to creating the Airbnb listing. This is where we'll cover the A to Z of creating a listing specifically for a timeshare resort. There are some special circumstances that you'll need to be aware of, and I promise to guide you through all of Airbnb's features to capture more traffic and streamline your business. It'll be like drinking from the fire hose, but don't worry because you'll be able to watch and replay the training video whenever you like. Now, one of the cool things that Airbnb helps you do is target business travelers. Business travelers tend to stay a bit longer, pay a bit more, and take great care of your property. The catch is that you can only qualify for business travel ready status if you have a whole house rental. And a timeshare resort qualifies, so you're in a great position to take advantage of this additional revenue stream. And we'll go over the strategy for qualifying for your business travel ready badge in this lesson. In Lesson 3, we'll go over the ins and outs of managing an Airbnb on a daily basis. First, you'll learn how to respond to inquiries. This is a 3-part program where you'll use my 3 screening questions combined with the decision tree and my rapid response templates to reduce the time it takes you to accept a reservation to less than a minute. And when people create their listing on Airbnb and then search for it as if they were a guest, they always say, "I can't find my listing, where did it go?" Well, understanding how Airbnb's search algorithm works is the key to getting more bookings. This isn't the same as coming up on page 1 of Google. But once you take this class, you'll understand why, and I'll be giving you my secrets for making the algorithm work for you, so your listings can rank higher in Airbnb searches. Then we'll cover reviews and getting your Superhost badge. Superhosts have a stellar reputation for providing excellent service, and because of the trust that builds, guests will choose to book with you over other hosts. So how much does it cost? Now, each class is $97. So for the 3-part online training course, it's $291. And I also have a great bonus for you. The great thing about timeshares is that there are lots of people out there who are tired of paying their annual dues and they just want out. So I've put together a resource list and instructions for finding and acquiring more timeshares for pennies on the dollar, so you can grow and expand your timeshare empire. I'll be throwing in this incredible bonus worth $197 when you sign up for the online training course. And I'll be giving a complimentary listing evaluation. I'll go through your listing with a fine-tooth comb and give you feedback and advice for optimizing its impact. This is a $500 value alone. And because my goal this year is to help 100 people become superhosts, I'm including 60 days of email support. Ask your questions and get them answered so you can get unstuck and move quickly towards your goals. And I also want you to join my private Facebook group. This is where my students meet to collaborate, share stories, help one another, and celebrate together when they hit their metrics and milestones like getting their Superhost badge. And I'll be popping in weekly to help answer questions too. And this is a $500 value. So if you get enrolled today, you'll be getting the online training course, the Timeshare Property Acquisition Bonus valued at $197, plus the complimentary listing evaluation worth $500, and 60 days of email support and access to my private Facebook group valued at an additional $500, which comes to a total of $1,488, and you'll be getting it all for just $291. So let's get you off to a fast start. As soon as you enroll, you'll get instant access to the entire course, video lessons, worksheets, tools, and trainings. And I can't wait to see your new Airbnb listings up and running. So go ahead and sign up, and I look forward to seeing you become one of my Superhost superstars very soon.